I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into recovery and preparing the environment. First, boot to Windows Recovery. Hold Shift while clicking Restart or use an installation USB. Once there, open Troubleshoot Advanced Options. You may need to disable Secure Boot in UEFI if a driver or unsigned installer is blocked, so enter Firmware Settings and toggle it off briefly. Make sure you know your account password and copy essential files to an external drive before making system changes. This prevents data loss. Now you execute the middle sequence of repairs and controlled bypasses. Start with Startup Repair. If that fails, boot into safe mode with networking to download tools. Once in, run sfc/scano to fix corrupted files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. If Windows shows Windows protected your PC for a trusted installer, temporarily allow the app via Smart Screen or right-click the file, Properties, and unblock. Make sure to re-enable protections after the install. Finish by restoring protections and validating the system. Once repairs complete, re-enable Secure Boot and Smart Screen, then reboot and confirm Windows boots normally and apps run. If errors persist, perform a repair install using installation media to refresh system files while keeping apps and data. If that still fails, back up everything and do a clean install. Prepare drivers, product keys, and your external backup first. If you see repeated driver blocks, double-check vendor-signed drivers and contact support for signed replacements. This usually resolves stubborn blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.